Hey everyone, I'm John.
And I'm Wyatt, and this is the Father-Son Trade-Up Challenge, where we start with these busted cars, trade our way up to something amazing, using only a $300 budget for whatever trade we may make to either cosmetic issues, mechanical, if we find something we want to fix that we think will up the value.
It's all happening on a Facebook Marketplace, all straight up trades. This is all part of a father-son trade-up showdown.
Our goal is to trade up as high as possible before our deadline, which is June 1st of 2026.
And on June 6th is when both vehicles will go across the auction block at no reserve, and that's when it gets interesting.
And here's the twist.
Whichever vehicle brings the higher hammer price at auction wins the challenge. All proceeds of the winning vehicle goes to charity, and the second vehicle the winner gets. You're him.
That's right. If I kick his butt, I get all his money.
That's good. I'm laughing. All right, everyone, here is the 87 Dodge Ram with fire damage. The rear of the truck, the bed is all good. No fire damage back there. The frame is good. Got really good bones. So maybe this will spark some interest with the right trade.
Alright everyone, here's my 2004 Ford FX4. Later in the video I say F-150, you can ignore that. But it's got some great parts on it, runs great, drives great, some frame issues, but hopefully someone sees the potential in this car so we can complete a trade and I can move on to my next vehicle. I may be younger, but I'm a lot more determined to take this F-150 and trade it up into something incredible.
I'm a lot older, more experienced, and I have the grit to take this fire-damaged truck and turn it into one incredible vehicle. And we'll be documenting every trade and all the possible trades, and we'll share them with you all.
So subscribe, hit the like button, and comment, are you on Team Wyatt or Team John? And follow us all the way to auction day.
So let the trades begin.